Chuck with the Hillbilly half-acre homestead. I had some queen cells in here, and I wanted to see. I'm in here trying to see how they're doing, see what's happening with them. So I'm going to go in here. It's an empty frame there. Yeah, they're not working on it yet. This hive is not real. There's not a whole lot of bees in here. Okay. Here's our queen cells. Okay, look like they might need another day or so. So, with no further ado, I'm going to put those back together. You hear that sound? I don't know, I hope this is picking it up. Hear that roar? Now it got worse because I had them out and was moving them around. They don't like that much. But you hear that? Because they ain't got no brood, they ain't got no queen in there. They got that queen cell, but I put that queen cell in there. They didn't make it. They didn't have any brood at the time. So, sounds like they're crying, doesn't it? They're wanting a queen, something fierce. Yeah, hopefully one of them will emerge and they'll have them a queen before long. Alright, that's that. Thanks for watching. Hey, Chuck here again, Hillbilly half-acre homestead. We're checking on the bees today. Now the other day we put some queen cells in this little 5-framer, and all I'm wanting to do is check and see. I think it's almost time for those to emerge, and that frame's loose already. I want to just see how they're doing. Okay, hopefully. Just want to see if we've had a queen to emerge. Queen has not emerged from that cell, and a queen has not emerged from that cell. Well, unfortunately, I didn't know exactly when these cells were capped, so we'll try again tomorrow or the next day and see. If we don't have emerged cells, then I guess I can recombine these bees with the big hive, because we can pretty well assume they're not gonna emerge. Okay, so that's all I needed to see with this hive. Thanks for watching.